how to increase daily transaction limit in Royal Bank of Canada. In order to do so, you may follow the step. So head over to RBC Online Banking. You may use the application or the browser. Once you are there, you may go ahead to the rbcroyalbank.com and then open up the link. Once you are there, at the top of your screen, you should be finding sign in option, or in your screen right here also you can find the sign in option. All you gotta do is simply sign in into your account. And once you are signed in, what you can do is on the account summary page, find daily transaction limits under my services and on the right side of the page. After that, you may click on edit limits above the daily transaction limits table. So once you enter your desired limit to the nearest multiple of 10 in the box right, choose the expiry date for the temporary limit and click next and review information and click confirm. And once you do that, your daily transaction limit should be increased. Otherwise, what you can do is request a temporary increase to your daily transaction limits to the customer support of Royal Bank of Canada. So you may head over to the page, and then once reach over to their support page, you may follow the on-screen instructions provided by them and go ahead and do that. They also have provided a number. You can directly contact them through that. So for that, you may follow this step. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.